Hello friends, in this video clip we are going to see how to install Eclipse for Windows machine. Before moving on to the installation, let's understand why do we need Eclipse in the first place. With Eclipse we can write, compile, run and debug our Java programs all in one place. Eclipse is one of the most popular open source Java development environment written completely in Java. So we need JRE to run Eclipse. If you remember, as part of the JDK installation, we already have JRE installed. So we can go ahead straightly with installing Eclipse for Windows machine. Let's Google Eclipse download. Eclipse Oxygen seems to be the latest version. And let's click on the download 64-bit. Click download. Save file. Choose the download location where you want to install your Eclipse. Go to the download folder. Run the exe file. This launches the Eclipse installer. The installation takes a while. Okay, it brings several options. Let's pick this one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And choose the installation folder where you want to install Eclipse. This will create a start menu entry and also this will create a desktop shortcut. Click install. Eclipse installation is complete. Let's launch Eclipse. Eclipse asks for a workspace. Workspace is nothing but a folder in which Eclipse stores its internal settings as well as all the project specific files. If you are working in multiple applications, you might need a workspace folder for each application. For now, we can simply stick with a single workspace. So go ahead and type a folder which you are planning to use as your workspace for your Java projects. I am going to give Java course /workspace. I'm also going to check this checkbox. So whenever we launch Eclipse, it will always ask us to enter the workspace. If we check this box, use this as default and do not ask again, it will not prompt us for the workspace. We can go ahead and click launch. While Eclipse is launching, we can take a look at the workspace folder. Java course /workspace. So as of now, Eclipse has created an internal folder called metadata. Okay, let's go back to Eclipse. Here is the welcome page. To make sure our Eclipse installation is working fine, let's create a very simple Hello World Java code. First, we need to create a new Java project. So go to File, New, Java project. I'll say my first Java project and click Finish. Now we need to create a new Java class file. File, new class. Let's call it as Hello World. Eclipse can generate code for us if we check this box, public static void main, it will create a main method for us. Click finish. Okay, here is our new class. Let's get rid of this comment line and type a print statement. As you can see, as I type, it's giving me suggestions to complete the code. This is really handy. I'm going to print the string hello world. And if you see the star mark, that means it's still in the edit mode. Hit Ctrl S to save the file. Now we have created a new project and called My First Java Project. And in that Java project, we have a single Java code, Java file called helloworld.java. Let's go back to our workspace. Now we can see that there is one more internal folder created by Eclipse, and we have our project folder, My First Java Project. Let's inspect the contents in that folder. So the dot settings is the settings specific for this project, and the src or the source folder contains the Java code. Here is the hello world Java file that we created. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, let's go back to our project folder, and then to the bin or the binary folder. The binary folder contains the bytecode or the class file. So this file has the same name as our Java program hello world, but the extension is .class. Java's class file is created by Java compiler. Actually, Eclipse automatically compiled our Java program for us. Let's go ahead and open the file. As you can see, this is not a plain text file. It consists of Java bytecode. Let's go back to our project folder. There are two more files, class path and project. These files are specific for each project. So each project will have a class path and a project file. Go back to Eclipse. Now that we have created our Java code, let's go ahead and run it. Go to the run menu. Under that, run. We are able to see the output in the console window. It has printed out the string hello world. That means we have successfully installed Eclipse and we were able to write and run our very first Java program. Now that we have installed Eclipse, we can move ahead to create a GitHub account and install a GitHub desktop client.